My sense when it comes to illegal mining is that the focus is always on that miner or the person that is on the ground doing the mining illegally, so which is a fair point. However, the fact that there is nothing that looks at the syndicates or the kingpins, I think is the main reason why the war on illegal mining will never be won. I'm asking this because I know the department, especially the minister, will say illegal mining is a criminal issue, therefore let the police deal with it. But I'm of the view that if, for example, you are dealing with a criminal issue, which is child trafficking, you would expect the Minister of Youth, Women and Children will at least have a sense of who are the players in that regard, so that whenever there's an engagement, at least the minister who's responsible for children does have a sense of these kingpins and syndicates. Now, the fact that we hardly hear about the syndicates when it comes to the illegal mining, for me, I think it's something that needs to change. And also, even if you don't have the capacity as the department, but at least you should be having engagements with the respective law enforcement agencies on the question of syndicates. So do you have any work that is focusing on the issue of syndicates?